Bring out your best writer with Microsoft Editor. Start with the basics, like corrections for spelling and grammar. And for more in-depth review, see all of Editor's suggestions, including recommendations to improve clarity, conciseness, and formality. Editor can help you gauge how easy it is to read your document. Microsoft Editor is your intelligent writing assistant. Write with confidence in documents, email, and across the web in more than 20 languages when you download the browser extension.